going to create this look with the Norvina palette from Anastasia. If you know me, I love pinks and purples. Please make sure that you are subscribing to the channel and you select the bell to be notified of when I upload the next video. Oh my god, look at this palette, it's so beautiful. I'm first going to take the color Love, this shade right here. It is a pink color. I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and I'm going to get that in there and do circular motions. Wow. This pigment. This is going to be my base shade here. I really love these colors. You can do so many different looks. Now I'm going to take my mirror up into it and take the same fluffy brush. Take the brush from the outer corner and the inner corner. When you look up, you won't tear up. And just use a little bit at a time and build it up. Make sure you're blending well, since it is going to be under the other colors. Bring it out to almost your cheekbone. Use another brush to deepen it up and use a smaller, use volatile, this color here, on the tip of the brush and bring it really close to the fold of the eye. Be more precise to have more control of your brush. If you are holding it more near the metal part, which is the ferrule, it will be easier to be very precise. I'm going to use the volatile color and look up into the mirror. I'm going to get another fluffy brush and add it to the corner and just place it in the place you want it to go. Use another brush to deepen it out. Use a smaller, flatter brush that's fluffy. Use the color volatile on the tip of the brush and bring it really close to the fold of the eye. It will be more precise. You'll have more control of the brush. I'm going to use volatile color and look into the mirror and bring it to this little closer of the lash line, diffusing it at the same time with a fluffy brush to be more precise. So I'm going in with the color Passion, and I'm going to get another fluffy brush and add it to the corner and just place it where I want it to go. I'm going to use the Soul color, it is a purple color, and use a fluffy brush and the motion of the windshield wiper in the crease. Now I'm going to use a concealer brush, the matte painter pot, and I'm going to curve my eyelid out and stopping it where you need it, and then look down in the mirror. You can always use concealer as well. I'm going to use a smaller brush and use the color Passion shade, just a little bit, and tap off the excess off the brush. Create a line, then blend it out. Now, another brush that is small, flat, to add shimmery shade, and I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus spray. It helps to add the color to make it more metallic. I'm going to go with the shade Wild Child. I'm going to spray the brush and then add it right in the inner part of the lid. If you mess up, it's okay. We can go back and fix it later. I'm going to go in with the color Celestial and put it right in the middle and flip that brush back over. And with the Wild Child, I'm going to layer that over to where they meet so they blend in together. I'm going to take the color Drama, which is a deep plum color. It has a little shimmer to it, and I'm going to add it to the outer lid and blend it with the corner shades. Now I'm going to use the shade Passion and come from above so I can hit that area without making a messy look. I'm going to use a stiffer brush and add eccentric color, and I'm going to bring it in between the crease shade and the outer love shade. It really mixes well and they all come to, it ties all these colors together so well. They really work with each other. I'm going to come in with the color Dreamer. It is a soft champagne color, and bring it right here on the tip of the arch of the brow and drag it down just a little. And now I'm getting a flat defined brush using the Drama shade, which is the deepest shade, and look up and get it right. To get a small blending brush and add a little eccentric shade. Get it right on the edge of the lower lash line. In the waterline, use a dark burgundy eyeliner. Do a winged liner and add some lashes of your choice. This is the eye look. Use a purple or a pink lip liner and lip gloss that has some glitter to it. I hope you like this look. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.